My name's Erin Foley. I am a biology major on the ecology track. I'm also a environmental science major on the geography track, and I am a Spanish major. Yeah, I Marine science and ornithology club were two of the first things that I experienced when I got to Kutztown, and it's how I built like a very strong relationship with my peers and some faculty in my departments. And Arts Alliance is something I've been doing on the side as a hobby because they say you should do clubs that are related to what you do and some that aren't. So I did a lot of art in high school and decided I would join Arts Alliance. This semester we're hosting a humongous art sale and exhibition, so we're going to invite student artists and creators to come sell their wares at our art sale and get experience freelancing as a way to bridge what it's like to be a student in art and what it's like to be a professional in art. And then we're also going to have people who are showing off their works as a way to make commentary on the way AI impacts careers for artists. So this is going to be in the MSU in April, and it's one of the biggest things I've ever planned as a e-board of Arts Alliance in the 4 years I've been here. I went and worked at the Rodale Institute, and this is a group that Kutztown University has recently developed a very strong connection with. They're about 10 minutes away from our main campus, so they're really close by and local, and they do intense research on agriculture and a lot of biological processes regarding the soil and plant life. And so Kutztown University's regenerative agriculture program has been collaborating with them. So a lot of our coursework and classwork has been directly correlated with things I saw while I was there. For example, we were taking soil samples, and so we would use a small device to take a chunk of dirt out of the ground and we would put it in a bag, and this would be sent out for processing. And the regenerative agriculture field lab at KU is doing the same thing with our experimental field that is right next to the water tower out by the parking lots behind Lytle. So I think one of the most important things is not being afraid to ask people for advice and interact with your peers. Everybody has a different plan. All of the faculty have enacted different life paths. There isn't one correct answer, and you can choose anything that you'd like to do just about ever that's out there. But if you don't know what those things are, what your options are, you can't choose to do them.